So, one of the reasons I haven't just ripped that up completely and smashed it is I want to use it as a template to cut out around the wheel arches when I get the new boards. So the other thing I need to remove is the ratchet strap anchor points. I'm going to keep the front 4 in. So on this board I've just took out, I'll cut the holes out the same place for the anchor bolts, and then I'm going to remove them out of the back because I don't really need stuff strapping down in the back. I'll leave the ones in the side. I'm going to move one from the left to the right so I can put a strap over my e-bike when it's in the back under here. So the bike's going to go literally just stand there under the bed in a wheel locking thing that the front wheel sits in, a bit like a bike rack. But then I want to put a strap over the top of it, so rather than the strap going from one side of the van to the other, it'll just go over the top and the anchor points will be below the bike. So I just put a strap just to hold it upright. So now I need to sweep it all out. I need to go into town and get 3 plyboard sheets to cut it same out into there. I need to pressure wash the van out and then take the bulkhead out. Looks like there's 2 kind of, I think there's rivets. There's one in that side and one directly opposite, so it looks like I'm going to have to drill the heads off them. what I need to do now is glue that down, and that's the flooring. On the next video in this series, I will be putting the bed frame together. It's all finished, as you can see. I'm currently laid on it with Bramble here, and my cat's just jumped into the van down there, as you can see. So yeah, so if you're watching the whole series, the next video coming up will be how I put the bed together, the bed frame. So I should be doing that in the next week or two. It is done. We're going to be heading out next week in the van for the first time. I haven't done all the electrics yet, so there's still the solar panels to fit, the leisure batteries, all the wiring for the electrics, the diesel heater, night heater is all still to do yet. So there's going to be a few more videos yet. But yeah, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget, if you've got any questions, stick it in the comments below, any questions, and I always answer questions. As Bramble's getting comfortable, we're not staying in here at the moment.